All right, guys, another question, another identity trigonometry paper. What's up, guys? Another one, another identity from a past paper 2024. Let's look at this one. It's 3.5. It says here sine 2x minus cos x over 1 minus cos 2x minus x should be equals to 1 over tan x. All right, very, very interesting one, this one. Let's see, we're starting from the left hand side in this case. So guys, if you look at this one, it's an identity, it needs to be changed. Even this one also needs to be changed as well. All right, so this one we can change, because remember, at the end of the day, what we are looking for, we're looking at for cos at the top, and also we are looking for sine at the bottom, so that we can have 1 over tan. All right, so now let's look at this one. This one we can change it to sine x by cos x minus cos x all over 1 minus this one here we can change to sine, because what we want to do, we want to ensure that we have got cos at the top and then sine at the bottom. Can you see, guys, every time I'm solving this question, I'm always reminding myself what is it that I'm looking for, so that I don't just change anything to everything and then I'm going nowhere slowly. All right, so changing this one to 1 minus sine, okay, no, I can see there needs to be a 2 here, 2 sine squared x, right, and then close bracket minus sine x. All right, so therefore with that, let's see, at the top here I've got a common factor here that I can take out, which is cos x, because we've got a cos here and a cos there, so therefore we can take that one out. Then we are going to be left with 2 sine x, and therefore minus 1, close bracket, all over 1 will remain as 1 minus, therefore we need to multiply by this negative here to remove the bracket, guys. All right, so it's going to be negative 1, then negative is going to be positive 2 sine squared x minus sine minus what, sine x. All right, so now you have got that 1 minus 1 is definitely going to be a 0, so this is that what we're going to be left with at the numerator, minus 1. We've already done that, all over, we've got a sine squared here, we've got a sine here, so we can take out a common factor of sine x, which is going to be left with what? We're going to be left with 2 sine x minus 1. Wow, love it when the numbers come together, when the mathematics is coming together, or when the math is matching. As you can see here, 2 sine x minus 1 at the numerator and 2 sine x minus 1 at the denominator. This would definitely cancel out, so what you have now, you are left with cos x all over sine x, which, if you can, is 1 over tan x. All right, which is our right hand side. Thank you very much, guys. That's how you would deal with a question like this one. I think a question like this one had 6 marks allocated to this question. I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next upload.